Hey, I have blue lips.
Hey guys, I'm back.
Right. Oh, sorry, I thought we were just doing the other thing again.
Hey
guys, it's me Sophia and I'm back with Beth and Rebecca. You might know
That
Rebecca.
was really upsetting how you didn't turn your head that way, because she was like, I'm with Beth, and I was like, doof.
Okay, well,
2, 3.
Hey guys, I'm back with another YouTube video and I'm with Beth and Rebecca. And today I decided I was going to do like a who knows me better, my girlfriend or my girlfriend's best friend. But Beth has blue lips, yeah, and blue lips, yeah, and I look amazing. If you want to know why Rebecca's here and you want to know why Beth has blue lips, they recently started a channel and it's called The Misfits, and it is actually going to be really great because, like, as the title suggests,
I'm still a bit inside out clothes.
I forgot about that.
This is the consequence of
that is kind of the aftermath of their video. But yeah, their title, their YouTube name is The Misfits, and as like you will soon find out, they are two complete, like, they're just terrible together. And
crazy.
Yeah, and their whole kind of like okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna link their video down below, so if you want to watch their video, which I highly suggest you do, and if you go and watch their video, I'm gonna be going on and commenting back on my account to anyone that comments on their video. Can you stop?
Sorry.
Can we just point out that we've got our first collab?
I mean, it wasn't that hard, was it? I mean, I live with her and you're never out of those. Is collabing with not Beth anymore and not Rebecca, but collab with the Misfits. But yeah, so I'm going to be asking them questions, like the whole like who knows me better, my boyfriend and my girlfriend tag that I done, like,
but
I know original content. She's not a boy, believe it or not, and
I
have
boobies.
You don't really have boobies, like.
So I'm going to be asking questions, and if you guys are really true fans, then you might know some of the answers, because some of the questions are the same that were in the last one, right? So we're going to start out with an easy one just to get you warmed up, and I'm going to ask you first when my birthday was. Don't answer yet, right?
Who is it? Is it whoever answers first?
So this is what's going to happen. In the other video what I done, which made it really funny, was you both have buzzers. So it's not just going to be like buzz. I want you both to make your own buzzer noise.
Well, I'm going to do, you know the meme that's been going about with Donald Trump, and he's been like, you know that one? And it's like you walk in at night at like 4 AM and like, that sounds like scares you, and it's like the wee air freshener. But Donald Trump is like a video you need. I wish we could insert it, and it's like Donald Trump just being like.
Can mine not just be buzz?
No,
right.
I do not have unoriginal, boring people on my channel.
Mine's gonna be.
Okay.
I bless you.
Question, and remember your buzzers, because if you don't buzz and just shout, then you don't get it. So in 3, 2, yeah, ready? In 3, 2, 1. What date is my birthday?
The 2nd of August 2001.
Perfect, babe. 1 point to you.
Yeah.
Oh, and at the end, someone's gonna have a consequence. So consequence?
Is that how you say it?
Consequence.
Yeah. Consequence.
Someone's gonna have a consequence. Whoever has the least points. So if I can do this, ready? 1 point to Beth. Bing. It probably won't work. But again, next question. And you both should know this because I both told you this.
Okay.
But I feel like I've maybe told Beth it more than you.
Okay.
Where did I get my first kiss?
Is it on top of that wee thing in Ballybean? And is there's like a moat thing or something?
Oh no, but you're kind of close. Like, you're thinking of Moat Hill, aren't you, beside McDonald's?
Yeah.
No.
Alright then.
But I've told you both on the bus before. You don't have to have the actual name, you can like describe the surroundings.
Is it Moat Park? Is this? No?
We went past it. Is it? It was in front of like some building. It was, like, and you were like, yo, I had my first kiss in front of there. I can remember, isn't that what it was?
Yeah, but what, like, even, like, was it
that place?
Was it Stormont building? Was it?
No, do you remember that place you said you had your speech and language therapy in the window? Yeah. And like at the crossroads?
Yeah.
Was it there?
No.
Alright then.
I don't know.
Okay, so none of yous get a point, but do none of yous remember where like Stormont Park is? And you go past Stormont Hotel, and I was like, I got my first kiss in there.
No.
on the right hand side, and you're always like, you tell me that so many times. So like clearly haven't told you enough times. Like what is my natural hair colour?
Ginger.
Yeah. 2 points to bed. Bing. What is my favourite part of my body?
Your arm hair.
Yeah. Did you know that just from the
I
one
knew
me?
that,
No,
yeah.
because you told us that you had a weird obsession with your arm hair and you had people with hairy arms.
Yeah. Right, so the question is, what time did I used to have to be in for?
11.
Correct. 1 point to Becca. Ding. BTW, don't have a time to be in no more. I'm a big girl now.
Yeah.
Question, how many times do I hit Beth in a day?
I was actually really sore.
How many?
Loads.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Tell me,
wait.
Sandra, nobody likes you.
Who's Sandra?
You.
Are you talking to like someone called Sandra?
Oh my god, hurry up, right next question.
No. Why do you call me Sandra?
Oh my god. Why are you both looking at me?
Wait, I'm waiting on your answer.
I know. What? Because just Sandra? You didn't have a problem with me calling you Sandra in my video?
Yeah.
Because I didn't think about it. But like you said it twice now. I'm only joking. It's alright, Bob. What is one food that I will not eat?
Mushrooms?
No.
Peas?
No. I don't eat peas, but that's not one thing that I'll never eat.
Coconut?
No.
I feel like I really know this answer.
Like you would never have seen me eat it because I don't eat it.
I know, but I feel like you've told me.
Mhm.
Is it fish?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Buzz.
Fish!
Yeah, it's fish. If I could go and live anywhere in the world, where would it be?
I feel like it's like the Bahamas or something.
No.
I don't know.
LA.
Yes.
Okay.
Ears. Like in all ears.
4 altogether.
No.
8 all
5.
Yes. I have 3 in this year and 2 in this year. How many holes do I have on my ear, including the ones that are closed?
Altogether?
Yeah.
Alright, this is still mine because I'm still, do you know what I mean, just counting. 7.
No.
8.
You're not. You have to buzz.
8.
Yeah. Why did you not take advantage of that?
Because.
I really want you to win.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll try harder.
Thanks.
Okay.
Why do you really want her to win?
Just because it'll be so
'Cause,
funny.
like,
Because
yeah.
obviously you're gonna win.
Alright.
Actually, well, to be fair, Louise won the last one, so you're doing better than the other ex.
Okay.
The other ex. Why is she an ex?
No.
Soon. She has to soon. What is my biggest fear?
Bugs. And
No.
spiders.
No.
Alright then.
Dying.
No.
That is it.
No, it's not.
Being alone.
Yeah. If I was to get tattoos, what are the tattoos that I really want and how many?
You want, I only know one, which is a heart somewhere. It was a small heart somewhere, was it not?
No.
It's
Or-
an infinity thing.
No.
No, it was a heart.
No,
A
it
pineapple.
I have no idea.
An anchor. A rose.
Oh my god, is it like that stupid semicolon thing?
No.
Alright then. I don't know then.
Your zodiac sign.
No. How's that told you
We
this?
don't know.
Do you actually not know?
No.
So I want a cloud.
Oh, I do know that.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. And I want a cherry on the other side.
I didn't know cherry.
Yeah, you did, because you told me that so slutty.
Alright, okay, maybe I did.
And I want something under my boob. And I also want like an extra eye and a smile on my nipple. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So like my nipple's one eye and then like just a wee dot and a smiley
Yeah.
face, so it looks like it's got like a big like. Do you know what I mean? How funny
Yeah.
would that be? But I'd need like serious relationship before that, because like imagine like running into someone with a smiley face on your
Yeah.
nipple. Okay. My zodiac sign.
Leo.
What animal?
Lion.
What star?
What the fuck's a
What?
star?
I know, I don't know. I just wanted to see what you come off with. What?
You're mine.
What star? You're right. You're my star.
That was disgusting.
Yeah.
But I'm leaving.
Alright,
Okay,
bye. So this is
Means
the
I'm
winner
horny.
of the test, and
Am I actually?
Yeah.
Did I win by points?
Yeah, darling.
Oh.
I'm joking, baby, come here. This is the loser, I'm joking. Right, so obviously she was the winner, she won. Unfortunately, I kind of wanted you to do better, but you can't be my best friend now. Because you didn't prove yourself.
That's fine.
So this is just going to have to be titled My Girlfriend and My Girlfriend's Best Friend.
I can live with that one.
Well, start learning your facts, please.
Start telling me.
Excuse me, I do.
Excuse me. Excuse me, Baba.
Shut up! See my YouTube video? My YouTube
Excuse me, little boy.
My YouTube.
Excuse me, little boy. That's a lot of sodium.
Be careful, Shirley.
Oh,
Oh,
someone put it
Oh, that's a big rock. The only rock I'll be standing at there is the wine rock.
Accent quickly, make me laugh.
Alright, pal.
Pete Coda.
Alright, pal. I've been trying to get to sleep and I can't because you're being so loud.
No beer in the house. I imagine you can hear her from the house right now. Does it take a while to trans?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so bloody bored. Where's my Beth? Why did I say Beth? Where's my Beth?
F.
This is the end of the video. It's a bit crazy because I mean literally filming with just her is hard enough and filming with just her is hard enough, so filming with both of them is like tragic.
Film, but just me, so how do you
Yeah, because I know how bad it would be. So anyways, like I said, if you guys want to go and watch their video and see some more of their banter, then make sure to go on to the link down below. And again, like I said, if you comment on their video, then I will comment back on this account and be like, oh my god, thanks, you're so gorgeous. I'll be really nice to you if you do it. But yeah, that is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Remember to like and comment and let me know any more video ideas you would like to see. Also remember to click the little bell beside the subscribe button if you want to get a notification.
Make sure you like, comment, share and also subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, press that little notification bell so you get a notification every time Sophia uploads. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.